Do you know that it's possible, it's even probable that you can manifest a deep, burning desire overnight? I mean, literally, go to bed, wake up sometime the next day, boom, there it is, whatever you desire. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Believe that what you desire is easy to manifest. It's that simple. I mean, that's the beginning anyway. Most people believe that what they want, I really, really, really want this, but I know I'll never get it. I mean, it's too big for me. I don't know how it's ever going to happen, Robert. It's just never going to happen. When you believe that what you want is easier than you think, it doesn't always have to mean that it's easy, but it's easier than you believe. When you believe that, then everything begins to flow. That becomes the primary belief that everything flows by. So I want to show you this little thing here. This is white buffalo turquoise. And Rachel has one on as well. And we decided to buy these and charge them for a new home, a bigger house, a nicer house. House that would be perfect for Rachel, perfect for me, and perfect for Julian. Anyway, we put this on and went to bed, and it wasn't overnight, but in a short time, we manifested a new house. Now, that's the good news. The bad news is for the next week or so, we're going to be very sketchy on YouTube videos. Okay, we're going to do our best. Some of them may be very raw, like this one, but because we're moving and everything is kind of up in the air, but the dust will settle and it will happen and we'll be back here. Okay, so don't go away. And we're also on Instagram. We promise we'll keep the Instagram going. Even if you see me sweating with like 3 days or 4 days growth of beard, it doesn't make a difference. You can manifest what you desire when you believe it's possible and you believe that it's easy. The underlying reason why people don't get what they want is they don't believe they can. I mean, really. So if you believe you can do it, if you believe you can have it, if you believe that you're worthy of it, you are, and it will begin to flow easily into your life. So one of the things, I don't always do this, but I like this technique and I've used it on and off for years, and it always works. When I decide that I want to manifest overnight, I want to manifest fast, I spray my bed with a little bit of lavender spray before I go to bed. That helps me sleep deeper and sleep in a more relaxed state. But it also sends a message to my subconscious mind that you have some creative work to do while I'm sleeping. You have some manifesting to do. You will be connecting to the infinite field of potential, the universe, so that when I wake up, what I desire is there for me waiting. So then, high flyers, as you're getting ready for bed, you've already thought of an affirmation that defines what you desire. And it can be any affirmation as long as it's positive. But wait a minute. We're going to change this now. So now you have the affirmation. You're going to reduce the affirmation down to one word. Nobody's ever taught you this before. I don't know if they understand how this works or they just don't want to share it with you, but I'm sharing it with you right now. You reduce it down to one word. So I have an example here. Enough money to pay off my bills. There's nothing more frightening than going to bed and knowing that you have a mountain of debt and that tomorrow they might shut off the electricity or shut off the water, or they might take your car away, or any number of things. So that's your affirmation. That's your intention. I am attracting enough money to pay off my debt. Or you can make it present tense. I have attracted enough money to pay off my debt. But I'm not going to use that. I'm going to go to bed and I'm going to use one word. I'm going to reduce that whole affirmation in present tense. I'm going to reduce it to one word that defines the entire affirmation. And in this case, I chose the word freedom, because when you don't have any debt, you're free, baby. I mean, you can do what you want. When your car's paid off, when everything's paid off, you are free. So the word is freedom. Now, as I fall asleep, I'm repeating one word in my mind: freedom, 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 freedom. And I fall asleep repeating that one word. So, high flyers, if you are manifesting something new in your life, pull out your calendar and look at the little date there on the calendar that says new moon. What a wonderful night. What a wonderful 24-hour period to attract something new in your life. The new moon is always about new beliefs, new thoughts, new feelings, new ideas, new energy flowing into your life. You don't have to believe in astrology to understand that the planets affect our lives, because we are part of the universe. The planets are a part of us, and we are a part of them. The universe is within us, and we are within the universe, high flyers. So pick that one day, the new moon, have an intention, and focus on it with that one word. Bring something new and absolutely exciting into your life. Oh, look at the confetti. Oh, I love it. I'm excited. So, high flyers, one of the things I really enjoy doing is incantations. And I'll do those throughout the day. Remember, this is an overnight thing, but it's also a 24-hour thing. So you're going to be manifesting heavily while you're sleeping, but you want to start getting your subconscious mind to work for you. Now, an affirmation is a positive statement that you say about yourself or your situation that eventually matriculates into your subconscious mind. An incantation is a direct command. It's a direct calling to your subconscious mind. And how do you talk to your subconscious mind? Easily. You say, I invoke the power of my subconscious mind to look for or create opportunities for new love in my life, for a new car, for a new home, for a successful business. In other words, you talk to and you communicate directly with your subconscious mind. This absolutely works. It works every time. And then finally, high flyers, when you go to bed, try this. I know you're addicted to your phone. You probably have your phone laying under your pillow or on your dresser next to you. Turn the phone off, but take it a step further. Turn the Wi-Fi off. Turn the Wi-Fi off. Get all that electronic energy out of the way. And then spray down your bed with that lavender spray. Turn off all the lights. It needs to be pitch black in your room when you're manifesting. Get in bed and focus on that one word. Earlier in the day, you've done your incantations. And if it's something new, a new relationship, new love, a new business, something new that you're drawing into your life, do it on the new moon. That new moon energy is very powerful for helping you bring something new and exciting into your life. Hey, listen, we're going to be on and off here for the next few days, but here's some other videos to help you on your journey.